AI, Instagram model, turning a virtual avatar into real income. What if I told you some Instagram models aren't even real, but they're making real money? Today, I'm breaking down AI Instagram models, what they are, how people are monetizing them, and how you can turn a virtual avatar into real income even if you've never modeled, coded, or edited before. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is an AI Instagram model? An AI Instagram model is a virtual influencer, a digital character created using AI tools that looks like a real person. These accounts post lifestyle photos, fashion shots, reels, stories, just like human influencers, but they're completely AI generated. And brands don't actually care if the person is real. They care about engagement, niche, and audience. That's why AI models are exploding right now. Section 2. Why AI Instagram models are making money. Here's why this works so well. No scheduling shoots, no travel, no contracts or drama, total creative control. You can post daily without burnout and scale multiple accounts if you want. Brands want consistent content. AI delivers that. Section 3. Choosing your AI model. Concept. Before you touch any tools, you need a concept. Pick one lane. Fitness model, luxury lifestyle, fashion influencer, travel girl gamer, anime style edgy, or alternative aesthetic. Do not try to be everything. Niche wins on Instagram. Create a backstory, name, age range, city, vibe. People follow stories, not just photos. Section 4. Creating the AI model. You don't need Photoshop or design skills. Most people use AI image generators to create consistent faces and looks. Key tip: use the same face style, same hair, same lighting, same vibe. Instagram rewards consistency, and so do brands. You'll generate profile picture, 9, 12 starter posts, a few reels or carousel images. Section 5. Setting up the Instagram account. Treat this like a real influencer account. Clean bio, clear niche emoji, plus personality. Link in bio, later monetized. Post 1-2 times per day at the start. Use trending audios for reels. This is where growth happens. Section 6. How AI Instagram models make money. One brand deals. Small brands will pay $50, $500 per post once you have engagement. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote fitness products. Fashion, beauty, Amazon finds. Paid per sale, no inventory. 3. Paid promotions. Other pages pay to be featured. 4. Subscription content. Some creators use exclusive content platforms, completely optional but very profitable. 5. Selling the account. Yes, people buy established AI pages. Section 7. How long until you make money? Real talk. This is not overnight. Most accounts see traction in 30 days, growth 60 days, DMs 90 days, income. But once it clicks, it scales fast. Section 8. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Do not change faces constantly. Post random niches. Spam hashtags. Buy fake followers. Instagram is smart. Build real engagement. AI Instagram models are one of the lowest cost digital businesses right now. No camera, no face reveal, no employees. If you want more AI income breakdowns like this, hit like and subscribe. Welcome to Digital Cash Empire.